Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to allow access to photos on Instagram. So, let's get started. If you've installed the Instagram app for the first time, simply open the Instagram app and tap on the plus button at the bottom. A pop-up menu will appear, asking you to allow access to Instagram to take pictures and record videos. If you choose the Only This Time option, it will ask for access again the next time. If you select while using the app, it will be allowed to access and take pictures and videos. If you're using an Android device, you can also allow Instagram access from the device's Settings app. To do this, go to your mobile settings. Scroll down and tap on Apps. Select Instagram. Then, tap on Permissions. In App Permissions, tap on the three dots in the top right corner and select All Permissions. From here, you can grant access to the camera, files and media, and all the permissions that Instagram requires. That's it. You've now successfully allowed access to photos on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more useful tutorials.